students, you have a question over here. What is Archaebacteria? Archaebacteria. And you have posed two more questions, but Mycoplasma and true bacteria. And you have asked one more question over here, that is it a taxonomic category? So no. Archaebacteria bacteria is not a taxonomic category. Taxonomic category. It is not a taxonomic category. Okay. The next part is they are the what they are actually. So we can say Archaebacteria is single celled bacteria. Single celled bacteria. Okay, that is the first point we can say. And basically they can live in extreme conditions. Extreme conditions. Okay, primitive bacteria they are. Okay, primitive and the oldest bacteria. Okay, basically the differences of cell structure between the normal bacteria and this. Okay, Archaebacteria do not have interior membrane. Archaebacteria do not have interior membrane. Interior membrane that is present in true bacteria. Okay, so that is the difference. But due to have a cell wall, we can say they can use flagella to swim. Okay, Archaebacteria basically the cell wall does not contain peptidoglycan. Okay, cell wall do not have peptidoglycan. So these are the basic differences between archaea and true bacteria. Now you have asked about mycoplasma. So mycoplasma is called as uh, joker of plant kingdom. Plant kingdom. Okay, and can survive without oxygen. Okay, so hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.